Get Cellu.com and their product Crepey Skin Repair Cream. This cream claims to help with crepey skin, which is that thin, fragile skin that can lose its firmness over time. They say it restores elasticity using ingredients like niacinamide, bakuchiol, and a ceramide complex. Sounds promising, right? But the real question is this website legit or not? Let's find out together. First, let's start with the positives. When we checked their WOIS domain registration, we saw that the website has been active since June 24. That's over a year now. Honestly, if it were a scam, it probably wouldn't have lasted this long, so that's a good sign. Another positive? They have social media pages. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. This is great because it shows they're trying to engage with their customers and maintain some level of transparency. An active social media presence usually means a business cares about connecting with people. Now, let's talk about the not-so-great things. First off, they claim to have a 4.9-star rating and over 15,000 happy customers. Sounds amazing, right? Well, there's a catch. The customer images look like they're AI-generated, and some of the review images are copied from other websites. So those numbers might not be entirely trustworthy. We also checked Trustpilot, and it doesn't look good. The website has a 2.7-star rating, with most reviews being negative. People have complained about delayed or missing deliveries, damaged packaging, and unhelpful customer service. Some even mention subscription traps, and that the product ships from China, despite suggesting local delivery. Another issue is customer support. They only provide an email, no live chat, no phone number. That's really not enough. Good customer service is key to trust, and the lack of it definitely raises some red flags. And then there's their About Us page. It's a long story, but it doesn't mention a founder's name or show any pictures. That's pretty unusual. Most legitimate brands share at least some details about who's behind the company, right? So what's the verdict? On the bright side, GetCellu.com has been around for over a year and has social media profiles. But the misleading reviews, low Trustpilot rating, customer complaints, and lack of transparency are serious concerns. If you're thinking about buying from them, just proceed with caution. And maybe do some more research before placing an order. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips.